Viewers, I am going to talk about mood in English grammar. First of all, let me define mood. Mood is the mood or manner in which the action denoted by a verb is expressed or represented. Example, he, she is going to college. Is he, she studying class 12th science? Close the door, etc. All these sentences express the mood or manner denoted by the verb. Now let me talk about the types of mood. There are three types of moods mainly. These three types of moods are: number one, indicative mood. What is indicative mood? Indicative mood is that mood which expresses a statement or a question or a supposition. Example, he is going to market. She is taking her breakfast. They are going to schools. All these sentences express a statements, so they are in indicative mood. Second example of it is he studying? Is he studying English? A statement. He is going to college. Supposition. If it rains, he will stop going to college. This is the example of supposition. The second type of imperative is mood is imperative mood. Imperative mood expresses command or order, exhortation or prayer or entreaty. Example, cease fire. Cease fire. This is a command. Now see example of exhortation. Shut the door. Shut the door. Open fire. Prayer or entreaty. God shower mercy upon us. This sentence, God shower mercy upon us, expresses prayer or entreaty. The third type of subjunctive mood is subjunctive mood. Subjunctive mood expresses a statement. The statement shows proposal, request, etc. Now there are two kinds of subjunctive mood: present subjunctive mood and past subjunctive mood. I give examples of both the subjunctive moods. May God bless him. May you get success. It is past. Past subjunctive comes along with as if I wish, it is time, it is. Example, he behaves as if he were my master. Similarly, I wish that I started much earlier. She wished or she wished that she had been rich enough. All these sentences are in the past subjunctive mood. Thus, mood is one of the important items of English grammar. Viewers, particularly students, must learn mood. If they learn mood, they will be able to express the sentences keeping in view the type of mood. That's all. Thanks.